How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Telegram account permanently. To start, open your VPN provider. Over here at your VPN provider, make sure you are connected with your VPN. Once you are now connected, you can now close your VPN provider. Now open your Telegram application in your mobile device. Once on Telegram, tap on the three lines on the upper left, then click on Settings. On Settings, scroll down and then search for Telegram FAQ. Once you find it, tap on it. Once you are now on Telegram FAQ, the next step is to scroll down. And then in here, under your account, search for How to Delete Telegram, and then in here, click on Deactivation Page. You will now be redirected to another tab. Once you are here, all you need to do is to input your phone number, then click on Next, and then follow the instructions given by Telegram after. They will now send a confirmation code on your phone number, input your confirmation code, and then that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one, so please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.